Okay, so what it's wanting you to do on these is take the fractions and put them back into improper fractions, which is where there's a bigger number on top than the bottom. So I'm going to show you how to do this one, and then hopefully you'll be able to do the next two on your own. Okay, so first it wants you to split the two things apart, so 3 1/5. Okay, then from here we have to look at this number because this is the whole we're working with. So each of the whole entire things have 5 pieces. This is how many holes you have. So you have to do 5 times 3, which is going to give you 15 fifths because we're working with fifths. And then you can't forget that you still have this additional 1/5 right here. So you have to add that one on. Okay, and then from there, your bottom number is going to stay a 5. 15 plus 1 gives you 16. So when they say greater than 1, again, this is just the improper version of this mixed number. Okay, so try the same thing with this one. I'll help you get it set up. So you're going to split it apart. You have the 2, you have 3/5. Split them apart. So now you have to ask yourself, okay, I'm still dealing with fifths. I have to multiply this 5 by this whole number here, which is going to give you 10. So you have 10 fifths. And then don't forget, you have to still add in these 3/5. Okay, so I'm going to leave that one for you to answer that one, and then don't forget you have one more up there. If that still doesn't make sense, let me know, and we can do something else, okay?